In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom URL button in Salesforce Lightning. This can be a great way to streamline your workflows and provide quick access to important links directly from your Salesforce interface. So let's dive right in. We'll start by heading to the top right corner of your screen within Salesforce. You'll notice a gear icon there. This is your entry point for all setup activities. Click on the gear icon and then select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you're in the setup, you'll see a quick find box at the top left. This is incredibly helpful for navigating through Salesforce's extensive options. Go ahead and type Object Manager into that box. It's designed to help you quickly find the various objects within your Salesforce organization. After you've typed in Object Manager, click on it from the list of search results. The Object Manager is where you can manage standard and custom objects in Salesforce. You'll want to select the specific object where you'd like to add this button. Common choices include account or opportunity, but you can choose any object that fits your needs. With the object selected, you'll see a variety of settings on your screen. Look for and click on Buttons, Links and Actions in the sidebar. This is where you can define new buttons and links that will appear on your records. Next, press New Button or Link to begin the creation process. Here, you'll need to make an important decision about the display type of your new button. You can choose between a detail page button or a detail page link. Think about whether you'd prefer your link to act like a button or remain as a hyperlink depending on its purpose. You will then need to enter details for your button. Start with the label, which is the text that users will see on the button itself. Be sure to choose a concise and descriptive label, then assign a name to your button. This is a unique identifier used within Salesforce, so make sure it's distinct. For the link content source, select URL. This means that the button will take users to a web address when clicked. Now, it's essential to paste the URL of the site or resource you intend to link to. Check that you've copied the entire URL to avoid any errors later on. Once you have everything set up, click Save to create your custom button or link. Don't stop there though, we still need to make sure your button appears in the right places. Head over to Page Layouts under the same object settings. From here, choose the page layout where you want the button to appear, such as the Opportunities layout. With the layout open in edit mode, locate the newly created button or link in the Custom Links section. Simply drag and drop it to your desired location on the layout. And there you have it. Your new URL button is now ready to use, providing quick access to essential resources directly from Salesforce. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next video.